Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel with another science tutorial video today, and I am going to explain you about one of the most important chapter of biology, that is human excretory system. So let's get started. Excretory system is a vital organ system of human body which removes excess or waste products from human body. Scientific diagram of human excretory system is one of the most important diagram for exam. So let's see how we can draw this diagram in an easy manner. Now, my scientific diagram of human excretory system is ready now, but don't forget to do the labeling of any scientific diagram. Now let's discuss the different parts of our excretory system. Those are a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Kidneys are bean-shaped structures located on either side of the backbone and are protected by the ribs and muscles on the back. The kidneys filter urea and other waste products from the blood, which are then added to the urine within the bladder. I will discuss elaborately the structure and function of our kidney in one of my upcoming videos. Kidneys filter the blood and urine is the filtrate obtained. Urine passes to the urinary bladder via ureter and is expelled out of the body. So, the most important function of our excretory system is the elimination of the wastes and harmful products generated by the different parts of our body. So students, I hope my today's video will become helpful for your study. Do follow my channel to get good marks in science and mathematics. Bye bye.